them down at Rockscape. Got Andrew in the John Deere 9900 chopper. And it is looking like a very decent crop. Considering the circumstances and the drought pressure we've had this year. These do have a lagoon and they have been able to tank and use the umbilicals to give the nutrients into the maize. And we've got a fast track 4220 joining us with a K2 trailer on. And this maize is going to Rockscape's energy side of the business. It will go to the AD plant and it will be used for producing electricity and creating biogas. And that will be fed back into the gas network. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you on the next video.